Hey, I'm here. So today's video would be about how to income from Binance. So as you know, I have said in my earlier video, so how to create a Binance account. So you can check that on my channel. So today's would be how to income from Binance. So what is the strategy and what is the main things that you would be income from Binance. So yeah, you can right now you can seeing it on screen. So first of all, I would say trading. So it's not it's something complicated. So it's hard to do. So many people don't know that. So today's I wouldn't talk about that. So second is investment. You can do that, but right now it's also complicated. So I wouldn't recommend that. So it's cross. So today's topic is not those are. So third option is mining. So today's topic is not it. So fourth is staking. It's not. And yeah, it's our topic today, referral program. So it's easy to do for everyone because it's just copy link and paste. So paste everywhere. You can share with your friend, you can share with your whatever you have your friend, I don't know. So six margin, so it's not. So seven, it's not. So today's topic is a referral program. So okay, inside Binance account right now. So keeping patient and wait few minutes. Okay, right now in Binance website. So here you can see join the Binance affiliate program. So monetize your traffic and earn crypto commission when you share Binance with your audience or your friends, whatever you have. So yeah, become an affiliate. You can do is samely with referral, not affiliate. So it's kind of easy to do. Just you can share your link your friend, and your friend is join here, and if your friend is doing trade or whatever. If you have a YouTube channel or any community like Facebook group, Telegram channel, so like 5,000 10,000 of our member, it's easy to earn $100 over a day. It's so easy for you. So yeah, become an affiliate marketing. So scroll down, and not quite ready to become affiliate through 7 class series. Learn how to become a top performing business affiliate while earning up to 3,000 USDD. So I wouldn't take that. So in here you seeing that step by step guide. Sign up, become an affiliate, submit your application by filling the form below. Our team will evaluate your application and ensure you meet our affiliate criteria. So second, create and share your affiliate link. Create, manage and track the performance of your affiliate links right from your Binance account. And third option, it's kind of interesting. So earn up to 50% commission when user create an affiliate. uh, when user create an account with your affiliate link, you will receive commission on every trade they make. So 50% commission if he do if he or she do $100 trade. You he yeah, you can got 50% from them. So yeah, you can just read all about details. So no problem here. Just on Google you just search like that, Binance affiliate. So first option, tap on, and here same place you can read all details here. So something similar. So like earn more affiliate incentives. So smart commission up to 50%, feature commission 30%, Binance pool commission 30%. So there in your form. So submit from whatever is coming, I see. So yeah, here I would suggest to you, you use both of sport and future, because of your share person is a candidate, future and sport, so you don't know what he do, but you share both of, so it's kind of profitable for you. So yeah, wait, something problem here. So yeah, you just submit, click on submit from and log in your Binance account, and from the field well, about well, documents that form one to you. So everything you given on your field from, so just it, and 7 working days you have received email, or you just check on your opinions here, just check on like that. Wait, I'm saying to you. So Binance and cool affiliate, wait, few minutes, wait, and from click on, yeah, I have submitted my from, therefore it's kind of show up like that, submitted successfully, and it was under manual review. So your form is under review and will be completed within 7 working days. So when it was completed, after audit complete, your review result will be visible after the review is complete. Yeah, I submitted that yesterday. So yeah, you just do like that, and when it's completed, you got a link, your referral link, you just share that your friend, your trader who's a big trader, you just focus on your who are doing big trade. So because of it's depend on your profit, those are doing big trade. So if your link share on those are doing stock market, doing trade, big trade, so you trying to share your link to those guy, because they are doing big trade, and it's depend, your profit depend on what they are doing, what they are amount doing trade. So if they are doing $100,000 trade, you can commission big commission you can get so from them. So you just trying to share your link, those are doing big trade, no problem, whatever you want, you just share your community, and yeah, you just earn easily, even when you um, stay in your sleep mode, that time you always earning. So yeah, that's it.